Now, before you guys think ये तो sponsored video कर रहे होगी, ऐसा नहीं है guys. You know that I talk. I barely cover a lot of brands. I only stick to those brands which I trust, which I have used for myself, and that have given me good results. I mean, I can talk about different brands every single day and show it applying on my face and tell you guys कि आज ये brand लगा लो, आज वो product लगा लो. So it will only confuse you. I don't do that because I'm not doing it for the heck of doing sponsored content. I only talk about those products and those brands which I personally trust and I have used, and I know it will add some value in your lives as well. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Sapna, and today I'm going to be talking about a very unique and a very major skin problem or skin concern, and that is pigmentation. And I'm also going to be covering a certain age set here, which is 30 plus, because after we hit 30, or the moment we hit 30, our skin starts to age at a really fast pace. And if we don't look after our skin, if we don't try to control these skin related problems after 30, trust me guys, it gets very difficult to undo the damage and avoid aging of the skin. So today I'm here with a set of very unique products that I have handpicked for this particular concern, which is pigmentation of your skin, especially after a certain age. Well guys, let's talk about pigmentation. I will explain it to you in a very simple language. What is skin pigmentation? When you get certain uneven marks on your skin, basically the tone of your skin gets different from your real skin tone in spots or in patches, or it can be the entire skin. That is pigmentation. And what causes pigmentation? There are a lot of factors. The first and foremost factor is, of course, age. Second is hormonal changes. So the hormonal changes can be because of pregnancy, it can be because of periods, it can be because of PCOD, it can be just because of your age, that your body is going through a lot of hormonal changes. So that is another reason. The third reason, and that's also very very common reason for skin pigmentation, is exposure to the sun rays or the sunlight, which is UVA and UVB rays. We generally don't look after that aspect. We don't wear sunscreen, or we just wear it outdoors, but we also need to wear sunscreen indoors. I have already spoken about it so many times. So yeah, some reasons: poor diet and not taking good enough sleep, not taking good care of your skin, can be a lot of reasons combined together that cause skin pigmentation. But hey, don't you worry. If you are suffering from this problem, then I have certain tips for you, certain products for you, which are specifically meant to minimize and cure skin pigmentation. So let's start with the first product. The first and the foremost thing that you guys need to do to combat skin pigmentation is use apple cider vinegar. When I say use apple cider vinegar, I mean that you need to consume it. You need to have it in lukewarm water every morning, and if it suits you, you can have it twice a day as well. Now, I personally use the Wow apple cider vinegar because I find it very natural. My husband also takes it, and currently I don't have it to show you guys because we have used it up, and because deliveries were not happening, so I'm not able to receive my order, but I've already placed the order. So this is basically how it looks like. I don't know how many bottles I have used up. My husband takes every day. So apple cider vinegar by itself has so many amazing benefits. It helps to reduce belly fat, it helps in overall weight loss, it helps to control cholesterol, it helps to control blood sugar level, and it is also very good for your skin because it helps to combat wrinkles and fine lines. It helps to tone your skin. It's a natural toner for your skin. It also helps to minimize the scars and the sunburns that your skin has because of, as I said, sun or any other reasons. So it also helps to reduce those scars and marks, which we are actually talking about in this video, and that relates to pigmentation. Now the second product that I will suggest you guys is to use a vitamin C face wash. Now guys, I'm talking about only Wow products in today's video. So yeah, I talk a lot about Wow brand because I love this brand. I have just tried pretty much everything from this brand, and I'm really really happy. So I'm using their vitamin C face wash, and you can see that, like, you can see the bottle, the tube is being used up. So why am I suggesting you vitamin C face wash? Why not any other kind of face wash? See, we are talking about pigmentation, right? So पिगमेंटेशन का एक और भी रीज़न मैं आपको बताती हूँ. इनफैक्ट स्किन में कभी भी जो प्रॉब्लम्स होती हैं उसके कई सारे रीजंस होते हैं. एक और रीज़न होता है इंटरनली, वो होता है स्किन में फ्री रेडिकल्स होना. Okay, so what happens is with age, there are a lot of free radicals that develop in your skin, inside your skin, and that cause a lot of damage to your skin. But there is a way to reduce or fight those free radicals, and for that you need antioxidants. So a lot of products in the market these days have antioxidants, but then you have to make an informed choice for yourself that what kind of products you're using. A lot of products have chemicals as well, but these products, they're 100% natural. All the extracts in these products are from plants. They're not even from animals. They're 100% vegan. They're 100% natural. No chemicals, no sulfates, no parabens, nothing of that sort. So very very safe to use, especially the wow products that I'm talking about. So they also have antioxidants. Now specifically this particular face wash. Now antioxidants help to fight those free radicals, and when those free radicals reduce, your skin gets back the youthfulness and the radiance. Okay, so that is one reason why you need to use vitamin C face wash. So it is helping to brighten up your complexion and even out your skin tone without using chemical bleaches. Okay, because this is natural. So that's another reason why you need to use vitamin C. You can even use lemon in your DIY skincare hacks. If you make any skincare pack or anything to apply on your face, just squeeze a couple of drops of lemon and use it regularly, because that will also help to brighten up your skin in a natural way. But if you don't want to do that every single day, just get a face wash for yourself with vitamin C, and that will just do the same amount of goodness to your skin, just like any other DIY would. So this is my second product that I would strongly suggest you guys to use, the vitamin C face wash. Okay, the one that I'm using is from Wow. It's the brightening vitamin C face wash. Now the third product, very interesting product. I know a lot of us would not be using it. Even I have started using it lately, and that is a castor oil. Now I always tell in my skincare videos to use facial oils or just use oils on your skin, on your face. And I really I'm a big fan of coconut oil, and I personally use it. But why am I not suggesting coconut oil or any other oil, and why castor oil? There's a specific reason for that. Now we need to understand. See, everything has certain specific ingredients. Now the castor oil specifically, like, I'll just read out the benefits for you guys. Now see, this is not just good for your hair. Like, a lot of us know that castor oil is really good for your hair. It is definitely amazing for your hair, for your long hair, for thickness of your hair. It helps to combat dryness. It helps to combat scalp infections. Castor oil is amazing for getting thick eyebrows and thick eyelashes. Use it every day and you'll see the difference. It's great for your lips, it's great for your nails, but it's also great for your skin, specifically for removing the scars and other pigmentation marks on your skin. But you need to use it every single day. You have to be religious with your skincare. You have to use these products every single day to get the best result. Now, castor oil also has antioxidants, just like the vitamin C face wash I spoke about. It has vitamin E, which is amazing for your skin. It will provide your skin amazing hydration and nourishment and moisture, so that will give your skin the desired glow and radiance. And because it is a thicker form of oil as compared to any other oil, it just works more effectively in removing the scars and other marks from your skin. So as per your suitability, either you massage it on your skin every morning and just leave it for the rest of the day. If you're not comfortable with that, you can just massage it at night before bed and just leave it on and go off to sleep. Use it every day, guys. Trust me, it's going to benefit you a whole lot, and you can thank me later. So the third product that you need to use for pigmentation is castor oil. Now last but not the least is a face pack or a face mask. Now I would suggest you guys this one in specific. This is the Amazon Rainforest face pack. It's a mineral face pack. Now why did I handpick this one in particular? Because I was just going through the ingredients that this one has, and then I did my research, and I'm using it personally as well. You guys can see, like, I have used up a bit of it. I don't use it every day. You can use it just once in a week, or at the most twice a week. And so why I specifically used it, because it has certain very interesting ingredients which I'll tell you. It has Brazilian kaolin white clay. Now, what does white clay do? Like they use multani mitti and all, so this is similar to that. It's a kaolin white clay. Now, it is great for oily skin. So, if you have oily skin, you would know that oily skin is more prone to acne, right? And when you get acne, you get those marks, and that marks ultimately leads to pigmentation, right? So this will be very good for oily skin. It will help fight acne, prevent acne, and that will further prevent getting scars and acne marks. The next benefit of this mask is that it helps to tone the skin. Any mask for that matter is a great toner. It just firms up your skin, makes it more elastic and firm and more youthful. And the third benefit of it is that it also helps to eventually make your skin complexion more even. I will not say it will give you a fairer skin because we are not looking for that, but yeah, we definitely strive at a more even looking skin tone. So this face mask, if used regularly, will definitely be giving you that. Now next very interesting ingredient that it has, and one of my favorite, is the buriti oil. Okay, now what is the buriti oil? It's of course extracted from a plant. It's a specific kind of palm from which this oil is extracted, and as I said, all the products are extracted from plants. They're very natural. Now buriti oil also helps to fight wrinkles and fine lines. It minimizes all the dark spots. So again, coming back to the pigmentation problem, it will help to remove that. It also makes your skin more elastic and firm, and it also helps your skin against sun damage. So whatever damage has been caused on your skin because of exposure to sun in terms of sunburns or any sort of other pigmentation, this will help to combat that as well. So if you use these four products in combination, the apple cider vinegar, the rainforest mineral face mask, the vitamin C face wash, and castor oil, this is definitely going to help combat pigmentation, reduce pigmentation on your skin, and will also help to revive and rejuvenate your skin. So don't wait for anything, guys. If you're suffering from pigmentation problem, try and use this combination of four products. And apple cider vinegar you can anyways use, like, for even without a reason, because it's very healthy overall. So try and use these products in combination. I will leave the links down below for you guys to purchase if you wish to. And you can surely try Wow brand. I am using it for 3 years consistently. Trust me, guys, I've stopped buying other brands, fancy brands, high-end brands. I just use this for my skin, for my hair, and I'm pretty happy using it. So this was my little video on pigmentation for your skin. So I will try and come up with more such videos where we will be covering very specific skin concerns. If you have any specific skin concerns, please feel free to let me know in the comments below, and also tell me how did you find this video and how did you like the concept of covering specific skin concerns. And yeah, I will see you guys very soon with my next video. Till then, take very good care of yourselves. Stay safe, stay home, and don't forget to check the links of these products in the description box. I'll see you very soon with my next video. Till then, take care.